Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Total Visa credit card. Now, somebody asked me to do a review on this, so I definitely want to do a review, tell you guys what's going on with this card. And I'm happy you asked about this card. Now, let's get right on into, the details of this card. So this is the website, you guys. When you first come onto the website, they got the application like right on the front page. They like, hey, go ahead and start this application. But this is their full website here. Now, let me point out a few things. A few things is that you guys can accept the mail offer. So some of you guys may have tried the shopping cart trick, and maybe you getting this as a credit card offer in the mail because, like I told you guys, you do the shopping cart trick and you do Factor Trust. When you go ahead and opt into Factor Trust, that's where you're going to get all of those offers in the mail. So when you guys filled out this form right here, you probably getting offers, so many credit card offers just because you filled this out, but that's what it was for. So you guys to get offers. So yeah, if you guys were to get an offer in the mail, you can go ahead and click right here, accept the mail-in offer, and then you should have like a reservation code, and then you should go ahead and be able to continue. Again, you guys, this is if you had to activate, if you got something in the mail, so you can try to go ahead and do just a credit card approval based off of your offer you got. Now, if you haven't gotten an offer, then you guys can go ahead and fill out the application here. They're going to need your first and last name, your email address, but they want you to verify it again, your street address, your city, state, and zip code, your phone number, your mobile number. Do you have an active checking account? Yes or no? You do have to have a active checking account, so keep that in mind. If I don't know, let me see what they say. Oh, they ain't saying anything different if you said no, but keep that in mind that you do have to have an active checking account. So definitely keep that in mind. Here's their designs, you guys. They have multiple designs that you guys can choose from. I will choose a little puppies. It's so cute. And then you'll click continue application. Now, the thing about this credit card is the fees. So we see everything like, oh, this is really nice. I could pick me a credit card. It's easy to get approved for this. I can even accept a mail-in offer because a lot of you guys probably going to get the mail-in offer. But let's look at the fees, because when it comes down to credit cards, that's what I really want you guys to start checking is their fees. So on their website, if you want to look at the fees, you can just go down here on the left hand side, go all the way down to the bottom, see the rates, fees, costs, and limitations. So you can go ahead and click there. So let's start off by saying that the interest rate is very high. You at 34.99%. So you guys are having a high interest rate. I tell you guys also, I tell everybody, please try to see if you can get pre-approved for a credit card. Make sure you don't have an annual fee, and then make sure you have at least your interest rate is under 30% at least. At least it should be lower than that. But this is a very high interest rate for a credit card. And let's see the greatest details that I want to tell you guys about. The greatest details is this. When you guys first sign up for your card, you're going to get charged $89. You're going to get charged $89 when you first sign up. So if you had got a $300 limit and they have to take the $89 off, then you're going to start off with that $225, because that annual fee is going to be taken out of your card. The annual fee is $75. So you got an $89 program fee, just a one-time fee. Your annual fee is $75, and then after that is $48 every year. And then you guys have the monthly service fee. Now, the first year, they're not going to charge you any fees at all. So the first year is none. But after that, they're going to charge you $6.25 per month. That's $75 a year, which I don't like these fees, you guys. Like, I always tell people, hey, check out the other video that I just did, because if you need to get a credit card, you're desperate, you need to start building your credit, then you need to really look into other credit cards, because this is just too much in fees. It won't be worth it. Now, a good thing that they do have is that their cash advance fees. You won't have any cash advance fees. So that's only for the first year. And then after that, you're going to pay either $10 or 3%, which is normal, But check out that video, though, you guys, to try to see if you can get other credit cards other than this one, because these fees are just ridiculous. And I don't want you guys paying all these fees, because you could have had a secure credit card for this amount. At least it would have turned into a regular credit card. So definitely check out that video for sure. And then your late fee, you can be charged up to $40. Your return payment fee is up to $40. Now, one thing, when I look up these credit cards, I like to look up like some reviews on a credit card. Now, I found some reviews on the Wallet Hub website, so I definitely want to go over those reviews. Here is like everything all in one, you guys, with the cash advance fee. And don't forget, it's free for the first year. So if you guys didn't want to do a cash advance, it's free for the first year. But you are required to have a checking account. So remember that. A $300 limit with this credit card. You got multiple card designs, report monthly to all 3 credit bureaus, which is what we really want. And the offer is not guaranteed also, but it will let you know in seconds if you are able to actually get the credit card. Now let's go down to some of these reviews. Let's see. Because there were some horrible reviews, but I want you guys to understand what's going on. So it takes up to 14 days to process your payment. Don't bother. I'm sorry I did. Now it's New Year's Eve and I have no money. Fraud. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of Open Sky, though. Open Sky, it takes a whole week for them to process your payment. A whole week. So that reminds me of Open Sky, but 14 days is a long time. They're saying that they charge you $10 to make a payment. That's crazy. That's a lot. Let's look at some. We see some bad ones. Let's try to look at some okay ones. This is 3 stars. There are much better cards out there to have. Okay, but they said they're using this card basically to rebuild their credit here. There's other credit cards you guys can use to rebuild your credit. Too high fees. Wow. 35% of the overall credit limit. Yeah, that's not good, you guys. Yeah, but people saying that their credit score, they did see an increase in their credit score. So I see people say, when I read so many reviews, you guys, they said that they seen an increase in their credit score, but understand that you're paying a lot for that increase. And with this credit card, it's not going to be a credit card you want to keep forever. You have to pay $6.25 for the life of the card, and that's not what you really want to do. But I definitely want to do a review on a credit card. You asked for it, so I made sure I made that review for you. Now, if you want me to do a review on any other credit card for you, definitely let me know. Let me know, and then I'll do a review for you. I'll do some research, and I'll let you know what's going on with that credit card. But again, look at these fees. You got a one-time fee of $89. Your annual fee is $75 for the first year, and then $48 after. And then your monthly fee, you got none for the first year, but after that it's going to be $625 per month. So yeah, you guys, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.